Yo, what's good, YouTube? And guess what? Today it is Christmas Eve. And you might be asking, well, Chris, what do you want for Christmas? I want you to go down and smash that like button. That's what I want for Christmas. Let's get to 6 likes. If we get it to 6 likes, I will have something special, but it's a surprise, okay? And that's like the most surprising, wait, why am I saying the most surprise? The most likes that I ever got on my video, besides those animations. So, and we have an ad, so I'll see you guys later. Boom, I got 2 coins. So, 1 Subway Surfers right now, as you guys can see. Because this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna keep opening the mystery box and see what I get. My first Subway Surfers present for Christmas is Trixie hats. I need 1 more to unlock Trixie. I could double it up. So I'll see you guys later. Don't copyright me. Don't report me because of copyright. First, I got Trixie. Let's see what my second present is. I got coins. I'm not gonna double it up. Okay, this one I am gonna double up. See you guys later. Same as. Boom. Woo. See what the next one is. Coins. Let me double it up. See you guys later. Ooh, bo-bo. Walkie Wally. See that? That's a walkie wally. Right there. I can just wanna see my trick? I'm just gonna get it, okay? No, I'm just kidding. That was wasting time, so let's go to the next one. I got a head start. Gonna double it up. I'll see you guys later. Boom, I got 2 of them. Next one. I knew it was coins. Let's see how much. 1,000. Double it up. See you guys later. Okay, I just doubled it up. I got 2,000. Boom, I got a guitar. Double it up. See you guys later. Boom, boom, boom. Yes. The walkie wally just fell. See what I got. Got a guitar. I want to unlock Spike. Utina, I never knew how to pronounce it. Utani. But I can never get that girl. I don't know if she's Chinese or not. I'm getting the jackpot for Christmas. I got coins. Boom. Stereo. More like stereotypes. That was a bad joke. The jackpot for Christmas this year. Okay. So that's gonna call it for this video. I know it's short. I'm not supposed to. I don't know why I'm just calling it short. Just gonna call it a day for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video, but before, we need to check our last present and double it up. In 3, 2, 1, Juju on that beat. It's coins. I'm gonna double it up. So that's gonna be it for this video. If you want everyone, give it a thumbs up. These videos take forever to make, so subscribe. And last gift. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. And let's try to catch Santa today. Peace. Merry Christmas.